The Supreme Court has decided it will hear the case on Obama's illegal executive amnesty. Oh goody. The White House is appealing a decision of the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals from last November that affirmed the district court's ruling which put the kibosh on Obama's illegal executive amnesty. 25 states brought action against the administration blocking amnesty programs dictated from the White House. Both lower courts upheld the Constitution. Their rulings are clear about presidential power and Obama's executive overreach, and there hasn't been any dissenting decisions. It's the Obama administration fighting tooth and nail for power it doesn't have to begin with. There's already been at least 13 9-0 decisions against Obama for his illegal executive overreach, but he doesn't care. He keeps going around wielding power he doesn't have. The United States Constitution begins with Article 1, Section 1, quote, "All legislative powers herein granted shall be vested in a Congress of the United States, which shall consist of a Senate and House of Representatives," unquote. All legislative powers. I'm not sure which part of all is confusing to Barack I, but he seems to think he can unilaterally dictate new law through executive order. And the sovereign states keep challenging him through judicial action, but Obama goes about his liberal business virtually unopposed by the GOP. Several key decisions by the Supreme Court haven't helped at all. When Obamacare was argued before the highest court in the land, the fine suddenly became a tax, which in my opinion didn't matter anyway, since Chief Justice John Roberts took it upon himself to rewrite the law from the bench, an act itself that violates Article 1, Section 1. And this wasn't the only improper action of this Supreme Court. Because of this court, people of the same gender believe it's possible for them to be joined in marriage. So you'll forgive me if I don't trust that the Supreme Court will do the right thing or even uphold the Constitution. The very fact that they've decided to hear the case is bad news to me, especially when the previous rulings and the law could not be any clearer. After the way this White House treated General Petraeus, it almost makes you wonder what kind of dirt Obama has on these justices.
Thanks for listening. Don't forget to subscribe and donate at theraywarnershow.com.